A lot of you guys been asking me what is my skincare routine. So I'm gonna be sharing with you my 8-step skincare routine for dry skin. All the products that I'm gonna be sharing with you are fragrance free. And then the second thing that I think is very important is how affordable all these products are. So I hope you guys like this video and let's get into it. We're gonna start with step 1, which is the most obvious one. Yes, it's a cleanser. You need to find a facial cleanser that hydrates your skin and that doesn't strip your skin. Right now, I'm using the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This one is mild, non-irritating formula, soften as it cleanses. So I use 2 pumps and then I massage, not do this. You're not washing clothes, it's your skin, so you have to start learning that, okay? Massaging your skin a little bit, right, under your eyes too, and then I remove the facial cleanser with cold water. So the second step is exfoliation, and I love this step, guys. The best exfoliation I ever had. It is with a contact sponge. I've been using right now the white one, which is for all skin types. You can use your contact sponge alone. So what I do is I start in circular motions, always avoid the under eye area, never drag your skin ever. With 20 seconds your skin is going to look incredible. I swear on this product. Then when you're done, just do a splash of cold water on your skin and you're gonna see how your skin is gonna be like bloom. Incredible. Step number 3, it is toner. Yes, and I've been using this one right here, the 7 Days Vitamin Mist. This product, it is Korean and I love it. Here comes with tomatoes, broccoli, banana, apple, cabbage, carrot, hydrates, calm and smooth the skin, regenerates. It is an antioxidant. I am not cheap on this. I spray a lot. As soon as you spray your toner, we jump into the 4th step, which is using a serum. I sprayed my toner and then I use 1, 2, and 3 pumps. Why I use 3 pumps is because you can't forget about this area right here. I am obsessed with this one. Is Eva Naturals. Comes with hyaluronic acid. If you have dry skin, hyaluronic acid, it is a very powerful hydrator. As soon as I apply the toner and then apply the serum, when it dries out, my skin looks so plump, it looks so hydrated. Step number 5, it is applying an eye cream. Products that I'm gonna show you, they are from the same brand, which is the brand called Lily and Naturals. The eye cream contains rosehip and hibiscus. Let me show you how to use it. This is the amount I like to apply under my eye area. So what I do with my ring finger, I only tap. I go around all this area right here until it is almost 100% dry. And step number 6 is moisturizing your face, your neck, and your chest. This face cream comes with rose and pomegranate. Both of these ingredients, there are powerful antioxidants. So besides hydrating, and also it's gonna restore and be an anti-aging face cream. No matter what type of skin you have, you always need to wear sunscreen. That's the last thing we apply in our skincare routine. The thing that I like about this L-Serene sunscreen, it's made to moisturize and protect your sensitive skin. It doesn't leave my skin oily and it doesn't leave that white nasty residue that I hate. So what I like to do is I apply 1 pump. That's it. Last step, which is my 8th step, is using a lip oil. From now on, I am very used to applying a lip oil while I'm putting my skincare routine. I've been using this avocado oil. It helps a lot to keep my lips very soft and plump and beautiful during the entire time I'm using my lipstick, or even if I'm not using a lipstick, my lips, they feel very hydrated, very nice. I wanted to ask you a question. What age did you start using a skincare routine? I was 14 years old when I started my skincare routine. Obviously mine was absolutely simple than the one that I have right now. Please let me know in the comments below. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe right here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next time. Pura Vida!